How to send timed emails on Gmail. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our browser. And then once we are now on the browser, on the search bar, just search for gmail.com. Once you do that, the next thing that we need to do right here is to just, of course, go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click the compose button. Once you click the compose button, all you have to do is to put the Gmail where you want to send it to. So let's say, for example, that this is where we want to send it. And then, of course, put the subject. And then, of course, the body of your email. So let's say, for example, that we have now already put the things that we want to say. Now, the next thing that we need to do right here is to just go here on the send button. And then on its right, you will see this drop down button. So all you have to do is to click that button right there. And then you will see this schedule send. So just click schedule send right there. And then you will now be able to see this. All you have to do is to click pick date and time. And then you will now be able to choose when you want to send the Gmail to. So let's say, for example, that we want to send it on November 25 at 7 p.m. So all we have to do is to change that to 7 p.m. And then after that, all you have to do is to click schedule send. Once you do that, you will now be able to see it right here that we have scheduled it. So if we view the message, this is what it will look like. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to send timed emails on Gmail.